back to part. This is part 2. So last video we opened up that.
Let's go. You can unbox it. I just wanna go.
Last video we opened this up and these. So we are just gonna open this one. Wow, this is satisfying.
I'm just gonna watch some TV. Okay? You can make the video.
Yeah, sure. So. Wow, it feels so good. Ooh, you guys look. It feels so good. See? So satisfying. Awesome. Satisfying. Here's the last one. The yellow puppet. The yellow puppet. Let's open it up. Ooh, Oop. Alright, good. Yes, look. Here's the yellow puppet. It feels so good. Let's try it. Wow. Feels so good. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for another unboxing, real unboxing. Since this one is just a skit. So yeah, bye.